Removing the rear panel on the iPod Classic is the most difficult step out of all of these, so take your time and be careful so you don't damage your iPod. Insert two safe open tools in the seam between the front and the rear panel. Now insert your 1/2-inch putty knife in between the two safe open tools. Work this putty knife along the edge, releasing the clips. Then repeat this process on the opposite side. The rear panel should now be released, but don't fully remove it because it's still attached via the headphone jack cable and the battery cable. Using your mini flathead screwdriver, carefully lift up on the black tab securing the battery cable to the logic board, and then remove that cable from the logic board. With your safe open tool, lift the black tab holding the ZIF cable to the hard drive, and then remove the hard drive from the iPod. Lift the brown clip holding the headphone jack cable to the logic board, and then remove that cable from the board. Now simply lift the battery from the rear panel. Locate the 4 Phillips screws securing the hold switch and headphone jack to the rear panel. Remove these 4 screws and then remove the hold switch and headphone jack from the rear panel.